If you look here, you will see a donkey. This donkey is important for the economy of the city. El burro que tenemos adelante es muy importante por la economía de la ciudad. On the left side. We are now in the quarter that we call the Casbah. Somos en el barrio de la Casbah. Casbah means house with 4 towers. When we speak about houses in the desert,
una casa
con 4 torres cuando se habla del desierto, no aquí. Here we have a quarter that has its own wall that surrounds it, and it is called the Casbah quarter.
Hari, Morokan Hari.
Yes. In Marrakech.
Marrakech, Morokan Hari.